What's up, y'all? I'm Alan Hain, the Lawn Care Nut. Thanks for coming back for yet another week. So today is all about pressure washing. I know I've been teasing this video for a long time, been busy with other things, but I finally have some time today to get to this in beautiful weather, as you can see. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this done, get this driveway pressure washed, and show you everything I can about it. Now, if pressure washing professionals exist in this world, which I'm sure they do, of those, I am not one. I'm just an enthusiastic home gamer. And as you guys will remember, I had an electric pressure washer from Sunjo that was sent to me free several years ago. And I used that in a video a couple years ago. I'll link below to that so you can kind of see that setup, because that setup worked just fine. However, I really want something that's just a little bit more powerful, delivers a little bit more water, can run a little bit better surface cleaner, and can get things done a little bit quicker for me. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox my pressure washer, give you all the specs on it, or at least tell you why I purchased it and why I decided to go to this one, and then we'll move on and get this driveway clean. This video is not sponsored by Ryobi or the Home Depot. I needed a pressure washer, did research, and this is what I purchased. I've got the Ryobi model number RY80940B. When I bought it, it retailed for $399, but has recently been lowered to $379. And yes, I did go back and get the difference refunded. And that's really the first criteria I had, was I wanted to be under $400. Second criteria I had was I needed something powerful enough to run a driveway, pavement, paver, surface cleaner, and get the job done in a relatively short amount of time. I also need to wash my block and stucco house about once a year. From my research, I found that 2,500 to 3,000 PSI and about 2 to 3 gallons per minute would be more than enough to take care of what I needed. And if you go back and watch the Sunjo electric pressure washer review I did, you'll see how it was just barely enough to get the job done when it comes to running a surface cleaner. That unit was 2,030 PSI and 1.7 gallons per minute. Now this Ryobi comes in at 3,100 PSI and 2.3 gallons per minute. So keep in mind, we are at 3,100 PSI, which is the top end of my criteria, and 2.3 gallons per minute, which falls within my criteria. Now, other reasons why I chose this Ryobi RY80940B is, number one, is it's easy to find at every Home Depot in America. Secondly, excellent reviews in consumer reports of very similar models. Third, many good reviews and recommendations from my friends in my Facebook group. And then fourth, and very important, this does have a Honda engine. Additionally, this unit has an idle down feature, which gives the engine a breather in between heavy spray periods. If you watch the upcoming video where I use it with the surface cleaner, I'll explain more why I like that feature. The unit was easy to put together and started easily on first use. The only thing I didn't like was the twisted hose, but then again, hose management is not my strong suit. With that, I want to thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 2, where I'm going to use the surface cleaner on my brick paver driveway, and then part 3, where I'm going to use it on my concrete sidewalks and curbs and gutters. With that, I'm Alan Hain, the Lawn Care Nut. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the lawn.